It could be because the price was a little steep. You know, a price would make you be like, girl, I don't like it that much. But for $21.80, I'm loving it. Why do you think that?
Because it's stronger. I would just assume that they would make it stronger.
Right, that's what I said, but it's not. It's Dossier.
Oh, for real?
Yep. Dossier.
I know you feel the same, so come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back. Boo, let's go ahead and get it popping. So first of all, big special thanks to Dossier for sponsoring this video and sending me over some fragrances to try out for you guys today. Now, today's video, I am jumping off a series. This is the first video for the series, and it's for affordable gift options, okay? The holidays are here, and it's about that time, okay? Now, this video is going to be fragrances for men and women. Now, I have featured one of the fragrances from Dossier on my channel before. It was inside of one of my wig videos. It was like a feature, but this time this is a dedicated video especially for them. Now, if you're not familiar with Dossier, just to give you a quick little something before we get too deep, they basically provide fragrances inspired by like luxury fragrances or high-end brands, I should say, but at a discount, okay? A super discount. So, you know, normally you go and you buy these expensive fragrances, which is like the big name brands for $180 to $100, where their stuff is starting at like $29 on average without the sales. You know what I'm saying? It's, when you get sales, it get a little better, but we get into that. So I'm gonna say this, okay? Because I said it before that it was really good, and I'm coming back again because I know that they good. But we're gonna get into talking about what the fragrances smell like and all that stuff, and then I'm gonna let you know some key things that y'all need to know, okay? Because if you're looking to do all your shopping in one spot for men and women, Dossier. But let me go ahead and start trying out these scents. The first fragrance is called Woody Hyacinth. And the card that comes with it kind of gives you the breakdown and tells you all of the notes in it. Now, this is inspired by Chanel Chance, okay? So, again, it's called Woody Hyacinth. And I'm going to go ahead and spray it. I got me some little sheets of paper because I'm going to have Dominique test these too. Let him tell me what he think about them. So, I'm just going to spritz it on here. Now, I don't own Chance, but I have smelled the fragrance before, so I do know what it's supposed to smell like, okay? Now, it smells super freaking good. It smells high-end. Child. Well, let me tell you the notes, okay? So the top notes is hyacinth, lemon, pineapple. Middle notes is jasmine, pink pepper, and patchouli. I love patchouli. And then the base notes is vanilla. I love vanilla. Vetiver or in Oris, girl. You know, sometimes I can't pronounce these things. But anyway, like I said, it's inspired by Chanel. Chance Eau de Perfume. You know, that's the fancy way to say perfume. The concentration is 18%. Now, again, Chanel is running for, because I had to take notes, girl. I had to let y'all know. Chanel is running for $108 for the perfume, and for the toilette, $85. Now, this Woody Hyacinth is only right now, because I see they got a little pre-sale going on for Black Friday, $21.80. Did you hear what I said? $21.80. Okay? This is the toilette, okay? The Chanel toilette is running for $85. Dossier's toilette is running for $21.80. So you get where I'm going with this, okay? They both toilettes. Smells so good. It smells exactly like Chance. Now, they say inspired by it. Don't say duplicate or something like that. You know, I don't know why I'm saying, you know, something like that. Inspired by, so maybe I'm feeling like maybe a note or something to change, but yo, it smells dead on. It smells so freaking good. It smells expensive, and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. But we're going to go ahead and move on to the next one. So y'all kind of get where we're going with this. All right, y'all. So the next one we're trying out is gonna be one of the men's fragrances. All right, so this one is Oriental Lavender. Now the Oriental Lavender is supposed to be inspired by Giorgio Armani's Armani Code, okay? Now my husband used to wear this. He loves this fragrance actually. So when I spray this and have him smell it, I'm gonna let him tell me if it smells like something he's worn before. For the Armani Code's 1.7 ounce bottle, for their toilette is going to run like $72. Now this Dossier's version, $21.80. I know I said it before, I'm saying it again, $21.80. And this is also a toilette. Now they're also 1.7 ounces as well, y'all. So listen, do you see the price difference? Do you get where I'm going with this? But let me go ahead and spray, because I should have sprayed it already so we could have had it settle in a little bit. It's about to smell like one of these beauty stores up in here, like a Sephora or something, girl. All right. Okay. All right. The top notes is lavender, bergamot, grapefruit. Middle notes, tarragon, guaiac wood, neroli. Base notes, benzoin, cedarwood, and tonka bean. Oh, this smells really good. And one thing I would say about the Giorgio Armani Code is when it comes to cologne, for me, I don't wear cologne, but my husband does. I don't like those overpowering, manly, masculine scents. Like, give me a little bit of sweet in there, something. Like, you know, sometimes it's just so strong that you can't even smell all the other fragrances. But Armani Code has been a favorite, and it smells just like it. They did a pretty darn job, y'all. Pretty darn job. So this one here is Floral Rhubarb. Now, Floral Rhubarb is supposed to be inspired by Marc Jacobs Perfect. Now, that's a super popular perfume out here. Now, before we get too far, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray the Dossier's Floral Rhubarb, because I got something special for y'all with this one. So I got it on this paper, right? I also have the Marc Jacobs Perfect, but I have a sample. Little teeny little sample. Little spritz in there, just enough to get the paper wet. So, okay. So now that I have both of them, right? That's the inspired by. Let that settle for a little bit. So the notes on this, the top notes is rhubarb, orange blossom, peach. Middle notes is daffodil, milky accord, narcissus, or narcissus. Girl, I don't know how to say that. Base notes, cedarwood, blonde woods, and musk. Okay. So those are the notes in this. Now that we know that, let's go ahead and get to sniffing. Okay. Let's get to sniffing. So this one is the Dossier Floral Rhubarb. Smells so good. I love this smell, girl. I love this smell. Now this is the Marc Jacobs Perfect. You know, the Perfect is not really, I'm not really smelling anything. Get on here where we could get on here. Come on. Okay. Okay. Let that settle for a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna say this, okay? And I'm being 100% completely honest with y'all. Y'all know I'm always coming to y'all with the truth. I ain't got no time for the cat. Now, this is the Marc Jacobs Perfect over here. And, ooh, got my lipstick on it. It smells really good. I already knew what it smelled like or whatever. So I was like, let me get something that I can compare. So that's why I got the Floral Rhubarb. Now, the Floral Rhubarb smells really good too. They smell like identical. I personally like the Floral Rhubarb a little better. For one, the Marc Jacobs Perfect is a tinker bit lighter. The Floral Rhubarb is a little bit stronger, so we're smelling a little bit more fragrance with this one. And the Marc Jacobs Perfect is lighter. Does that, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm just saying, for something that's supposed to cost more money, you would expect it to be a little bit more stronger, hitting a little more. And also in the Floral Rhubarb, I'm smelling something a little extra. Something a little extra. I'm not picking up on it. It does smell a little woody. I'm not really sure what the notes are in the original Marc Jacobs Perfect, but I don't know. Could be blonde woods, but it smells like something a little bit woody. Just a hint more than what I'm smelling in Perfect. That's the only difference. But to be honest with you, you guys, I don't think that anyone would be able to tell a difference. If somebody wore Marc Jacobs Perfect and you had on the Floral Rhubarb, they would just think that you was wearing Marc Jacobs Perfect. because you can't really smell a difference unless you got the two papers like me and you try and sniff it out. You get where I'm going with this? Let me give you the price differences, okay? So the Marc Jacobs Perfect for 1.6 ounce runs for $99. Dossier's version, which is the Floral Rhubarb, $21.80. Okay, I think I said that enough. At this time, normally it's like $29 or something, but since the sale, $21.80. All right, y'all. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna bring Dominique in here, and I'm gonna have him let me know. So this is the Dossier Floral Rhubarb, and this is going to be on the right side when I let him smell it, right? And then I'm gonna have the Marc Jacobs Perfect on the left side. So when he smells them, he doesn't know which one is which. So the right side is Floral Rhubarb, and then the left side, well, my left side, I don't know. You know, it's a little different on camera. I'm gonna have him tell me which one he think is like Dossier and which one is Marc Jacobs Perfect. And then I'm gonna have him smell the Chanel Jans, just kind of get his opinion on what he thinks about it. And then when it comes to the Oriental Lavender, I'm gonna let him tell me if he thinks it smells like something he's worn before. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? So I'm gonna call him in. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I need you to smell, and you don't look at the names, okay? You need to just smell them. Smell the bottom of this paper.
All right.
Do you like that?
I like that one.
Smell the bottom of that one. Okay. Which scent do you like better?
I think I like the one to the right better. Oh, no, my bad. Your left hand.
You like this one better?
Yeah, I like that one better.
Do they smell identical?
They almost smell identical, but this one smells lighter. The left hand one
Smells lighter, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I was saying that too. So can you guess which one is a Marc Jacobs Perfect and which one is Dossier?
Right hand is Marc Jacobs.
This one?
Yeah.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Why do you think that?
Because it's stronger. I would just assume that they would make it stronger.
Right, that's what I said, but it's not. It's Dossier.
Oh, for real?
Yep. Dossier, Dossier, Dossier. So Dossier is stronger, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just smell this at the bottom.
That joint smell good.
You know the smell, right?
I feel like I know that smell. Is that my favorite cologne?
Which favorite
The
cologne?
Jean Paul Gaultier joint?
No.
What's that? That must be the what's that one? The blue bottle. The I can't remember the brand name. What's the brand name?
Giorgio Armani.
Yeah. Armani Code.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should have known this one. I told you what I had the other day.
I should have known that one.
Do it smell like it to you?
Yeah, it does, but it smells.
Would you wear it?
I would, but I feel like this is not the original.
But you would wear it.
I'm about to turn it around.
It doesn't. You could turn it around.
Where is it? That's the real one?
No, it's not.
So how am I supposed to know?
I don't have a real one to
Oh, you
compare.
don't have a real one.
Okay. Now this one, I just need you to tell me if it smells good to you.
Oh, but okay, that was the
Armani Cold,
from
yeah.
the place.
Dossier's version.
This smells good too. Yeah, I like this one.
Cheater. Chanel's Chance version. This is the Woody Hyacinth.
Is that for men or for women?
This is for women.
Shit, I would wear that. That just smell good.
It do smell good though.
Yeah.
Ah, thank you. I really wanted you to compare those two. But see, you said the same thing I said, that Marc Jacobs Perfect was lighter than the actual Dossier version. But you actually said that you like the lighter version better from Marc Jacobs.
Yeah,
You like the lighter scent, but why?
I don't know, because it reminds me of, like, I guess probably the Armani Code stuff. Like, the Armani Code is not too heavy. It kind of got like a lighter air smell.
Got
The other
you.
one smelled too
Strong.
like straight out the extract bottle.
All right, well, that's it. Thank you, boo-boo.
Here.
All right, y'all. So y'all also got Dominique's opinion on these fragrances as well, including mine. But I told you the Marc Jacobs one was a little bit lighter than the Dossier's version. I like the Dossier's version. He likes the lighter version from Marc Jacobs, but I don't. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into some things, right? So first of all, like I said, these perfumes or toilettes, I should say they're not perfumes, they're toilettes. They range $29 on average, but because they have a sale going on right now, $21.80. But I do want you guys to keep in mind that when you buy more, you get a better discount. So like if you get 3 of them, it's $69, 4, $89, 5, $109. So it basically saved you some money, okay? You get 5 of them, you pay $109 for 5 fragrances. That's basically what you would pay for one high end, like darn near, okay? Because that Chance from Chanel, that was $99. Also, what I like to say is the quality is great. Now, I don't want to take any shots at the original brands or the brands that it's inspired by, but the longevity isn't that big of a difference on these toilettes, considering that some of these fragrances that they're inspired by are perfumes, okay? Now, I have mentioned it before in previous videos that some of these high-end brands, they charge you for the fragrances. It smells good, but sometimes it just doesn't last. Like, they last like a toilette, even though when it's supposed to be a perfume. And, you know, you spend the money, you want it to last. Now, I'm going to say this. As far as the longevity goes and you getting your hours wear out of it, you're going to get some hours out of it. I'm going to say about 6 to 8 hours of wear. Oh snap, shut up. I have one of their fragrances. It's called Ori, don't quote me. It's inspired by the YSL Black Opium. And that one can last you from 6 to 8 hours before you kind of need like another spritz up or something like that. So the longevity is actually pretty good and is holding up kind of longer than some of the perfumes. And some of the perfumes that are holding up for that long, I guess we just meeting the mark right there. You know what I'm saying? And I do think that it's a bonus that you can shop for men and women at Dossier. So you get a fragrance for him, for her, for us, for we, for everybody. I just want to put this out there. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, colorant and UV filter-free. For those of you who care about that stuff, this is for you. A good Christmas gift for everyone from Dossier. And the good thing is we're going to smell like luxury, but we ain't spending that luxury money. I did see something on their return policy. I don't want to go into too much of it, but if you're not super happy with your fragrance, you can exchange it. So, I mean, if you did gift it to someone, at least they can be like, let me see what else they got and exchange it. You know what I'm saying? So that's also good too. So out of all 3 of the fragrances, I really do like the Woody Hyacinth, which is inspired by the Chanel Chance. Now, the Chanel Chance, when I smelled it in person, I wasn't like, oh, let me get it. It could be because the price was a little steep. You know, a price would make you be like, girl, I don't like it that much. But for $21.80, I'm loving it. And I will buy some more. So I'm definitely loving this fragrance. But it smells expensive. It smells really nice. I do like it. I really do like it. That's my favorite one out of all the 3. My question to you is, have you tried Dossier before? If so, let me know which fragrances you tried. Or let me know which is your favorite perfume in general, y'all. Because maybe I'll look it up to see what they got on Dossier. Maybe I'll try it out for the Dossier version, because your girl ain't about to spend on them coins on no expensive perfume. I do it every once in a while, but if I like to have a lot of fragrances, Dossier is the way to go, and I'm gonna just put it out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video on up, y'all. Of course, I will put the direct links to all of the fragrances that we tried and talked about today, y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned to see what other videos I have coming in my affordable holiday gift series, because I got a lot more videos coming up. If you're interested in this hair, I did do a review for this, I think a month ago or something. I'll link it in the description box below as well for you. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, so I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, I'll holla.